Hello people, and welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, welcome, and if you're not yet subscribed, go ahead and hit that subscribe button. So today guys, you see from the title and the thumbnail, you know the deal, and you want to see if this thing really work. But yes, it did. So guys, you only need two things to grow back your edges, because we don't want to walk around bald-headed. Yeah. Yes guy, my head side, they peel out right here. I thought my hair wouldn't grow back, but miracles happen. Miracles in a bottle and a tube. So let me stop chit-chatting and show you guys what I'm talking about. So I'm talking about the virgin hair fertilizer. I got this on my beauty supply store. It's only $5, and I got the Jamaican black castor oil, which we know that's good for growing hair, and this one is good too. So both of them together mix up, you get a good concoction. I said concoction. I don't know how to say that word, but whatever. A mixture. I know I'm saying that thing right, but yeah. But how I do it is, damn, this one is not even open yet, but I go through a lot of tube, because this hair fertilizer, it's good for dandruff, and they say it's good for growing your hair. So you want to basically squeeze out some of it, oh my goodness, in a container. Not a lot, about this much. And then you go in with your Jamaican black castor oil, and what I do, I just eyeball it. Let me cover this so it does not spill on the bed. And I mix it around with my hand. You could use some kind of spatula, but I use my hand, trying to blend it in. And when I'm finished, it look like that. And what I do is where you want to grow, or you could just put it all over here. I do both. So for my edges right here, that's really thinning. It was nothing there, but it's coming. So I just basically tap it in there, and I massage it in. Massage it in every day or night, whatever you prefer. And then that's it. And your edges be growing back. But I'm telling you, you gotta be consistent to make stuff work, to see a result. And you could put it all over here. I'm telling you, it's good for dandruff. I used to trouble a lot with dandruff, so this helped me both way with the dandruff and also growing back my edges. So guys, let me know if you're already trying this product, or if you're gonna be trying it out. Let me know what's your result. Did it work for you, or didn't work? But as I say, if you want something for work, you have to put it in your ear all the time, like every night, to make sure it works. Just like you can't go to the gym one day and expect a flat belly. You gotta do it all the time. So that's it. That's my little that's what I do to get back my edges. I mean, there was edges here, but it started filling up my hair, and it's looking pretty nice. So guys, that's it for now. So don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, like, share this video with your family and friend that want to grow back their hairline, because I smell so good. I'm telling you, it work. So bye for now, and guys, I see you in my next video. And I'm doing vlogmas, so every day I'll be posting a video, maybe some day twice a day, because I have some video that need to be uploaded. Bye.